in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place where you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, it is another wash day review and demo. Today I am washing my hair. It's going to be a full day, okay? The hair is dirty and it needs a full cleanse. And today I'm going to be using the SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restoration line. I'm going to be using the shampoo, the conditioner, the treatment mask, as well as the styling one. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm starting wash day with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo that removes buildup while infusing hair with nourishing moisture. This shampoo is perfect for kinky textures like mine, but it also is good for those with color, straightened, relaxed, and heated styled hair. Alright guys, so I did take a generous amount of that shampoo and I did repeat the shampoo process twice. And as you can see, the second application had the suds going. My hair was feeling so clean and clarified without the overstripping feeling. And it also allowed some detangling while I was shampooing, so I did it like that. Next, I'm going in with the Strengthen and Restore Rinse Out Hair Conditioner. This hair conditioner consistency is that of like a lotion consistency. It was not thin, but it was not thick. It allowed me to work through my hair really well, and it just melted all the tangles away. I'm using my detangler brush to get those tangles out my hair, and it was so easy to do. I did not have difficulty with this conditioner, and it made my hair feel so detangled. Okay, now next up is the Strengthen and Restore Mask. Now, I don't normally do a double conditioning, but I'm extra a little bit, and today was one of those extra moments. This mask, guys, is very thick in consistency, but it did melt in my hair. I just applied a generous amount of that mask all over my hair, making sure that all of my hair was covered. And while applying the mask, I noticed that it did sit on top of my hair initially, but as time progressed, the mask actually melted into my strands. So I applied that mask on all of the sections of my hair, just working that all the way through. Because listen, I want all of my hair to get all of this Jamaican Black Castor Oil treatment, okay? We all know Jamaican Black Castor Oil strengthens the hair, reduces breakage and shedding, and we just love that. So here, I'm just putting on my shower cap and then my heated cap, and I let that sit for some extra conditioning. Let's just say at this moment, I was admiring my hair, okay? But next, I'm going in with the Strengthening and Restore Styling Lotion. Now, this is a very lightweight, creamy styling lotion. It's perfect for any type of style that you want to do. It's even formulated for like if you wanted to do heated style and a protection barrier for that. But today, I'm not going to do any heat styling, but I am just working that product all the way in through my hair as I figure out what style I'm actually going to do with my hair. So I'm just going to continue to take that styling lotion and apply it to all the sections of my hair and just being very generous with it, okay? You guys know that I am heavy-handed and I just want my hair to have all that protection. So I did decide to do a braid out on my hair. Right now I'm not doing heat styling, so I decided to do a braid out because that's the vibe that I was just feeling at that moment. So I just braided up my hair and I let it sit for actually a day or two so it can be completely dry. And then I'm just coming in after those days, honey, because we got to make sure the braids are dry. And I'm unraveling my hair. The first thing I noticed is that the increased definition on my hair and how soft and moisturized my hair felt. All right, guys, so these are the results from using the SheaMoisture's Jamaica Castor Oil line. Baby, my hair feels so good. So I did a braid out and I let it out. I did not fluff it out because we need to let this hair last a few days, okay? But nonetheless, this is what my hair is looking like. My hair feels so moisturized. This nail might be one of my favorites. I don't know, y'all. Like, it's up there. I've used the Jamaican Castor Oil mask before, but I've never used the complete line, including the shampoo and the conditioner. Listen, it's a win-win for me. Look, my hair is feeling all lustrous. It's moisturized. I'm getting so much definition from the styling lotion and everything. So yeah, I am loving this, okay? It did my hair very, very good. So you gotta get into this. Yes, get into the SheaMoisture, okay? SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, okay? Y'all, my hair feels delicious. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, that is it for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure you hit that notifications button, all right? Because I want you to come back and join the fam bam. All right, guys, until next time, ciao.